Hello everyone. Here's today's. Wow, that's impressive. Well done. We are here to recap everything you've accomplished during the last 25 days of your 100 Days of Code Challenge. It's day 50, so first things first, let's celebrate. You've mastered the core concepts and finished the first part of the challenge with patience and dedication. If you are new here, you're more than welcome to stay with us, but I recommend starting with the D0 setup video. Now, for those of you who made it to day 50, it's time for a midpoint check-in. How are you feeling? We are done with the foundations. You've seen all the core concepts by completing daily challenges and spending time on enhancement tasks. Be proud of yourself. In this video, we are going to do 3 things. First, I will give you a quick recap of the key concept you've been working on. Second, I will help you reflect on your progress and spot your strengths and weaknesses. Third, I will share a strategy to sharpen your problem-solving skills and think like a developer. Let's start with what you've accomplished in the last 25 days. It's easy to forget the small wins it takes to complete a project every day. But if you've reached this milestone, you've made real progress. How exciting is it to see these projects again and realize how much you've built and learned? Since it's a midpoint check-in, you've got an impressive list of key concepts to review. Don't feel overwhelmed. The goal is practice, not memorization. Just count the list and look up the ones you've forgotten. First, let's review the HTML concepts. You can pause the video here if you would like to read them carefully. Next, we'll go over the CSS concepts. Again, pause if you need more time. Finally, we will look at the JavaScript concepts. Don't worry if some still feel unfamiliar. You can always revisit earlier projects to practice them again. The second thing I want you to do is reflect on your progress. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Where do you stand after 50 days? Which concept can you confidently explain and apply? Even more importantly, what's been your favorite topic so far and why? Do you light up when you're working on CSS? Or do JavaScript challenges motivate you more? Knowing yourself helps fuel your motivation, reinforce your interest, and prepare you for tasks that may need extra efforts. Since we are done with the core concepts, it's a great time to identify the areas that still need work. Once you have your list, practice those areas deliberately, just like before. And if you finally break through a major blocker, share it with the community. It will help keep other learners motivated. The third thing I recommend is improving your problem-solving skills. Think back to a challenging bug you faced earlier. How did you solve it? What process did you follow? When code breaks, you've got several strategies. Maybe you used console.log. If not, I encourage you from now on to always keep your inspector open on the console tab when writing JavaScript. That way, you will see errors as soon as they happen. Breaking down the problem into smaller parts is another great approach. Comment out the rest of your code and focus on the line that's not working until it works. And remember, checking the docs is often the fastest way to fix a typo or syntax issue. If you're already doing that, your debugging skills are on the right track. Think like a developer. Use pseudocode to test ideas. Try quick tricks like adding a red color to check if something shows in the UI, or generating dummy data before connecting an API. Mimic the step we've been using in the daily tasks when you face complex problems on your own. Writing steps as comments or drawing them in a tool like Excalibur can help you see the full picture. And don't forget, sometimes the best debugging tool is a break. Step away, rest, and come back with fresh eyes. Debugging is an art. It takes patience and method. But after 50 days, your problem-solving method is already strong. So take the time to reflect on these ideas. And again, congratulations on reaching this milestone. As before, don't rush into the next project if you feel exhausted. Slow down and focus on the areas that still feel tricky. Even if everything seems clear, you deserve to rest. Come back energized and ready to tackle the rest of the challenge. Congratulations again on reaching the end of day 50. You've earned it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment with your progress. We are all in this together. Happy coding and see you soon.